Right, St Andrews, Miss King here. It is lovely to be with you all virtually this morning. Hope you're having an amazing week. My little dog Ginny is here to help me with assembly. Morning. You might remember I introduced her to you last assembly. If she can stay awake, she's a little bit tired at the moment. Fingers crossed, we'll see how it goes. Today's assembly is all about road safety, and just to let you know, there is going to be a quiz at the end, so pay attention. Okay, teachers, I'd like you to pause the video and in your class, think about what you already know about road safety. What is it? How can you stay safe on the road? What are some do's and don'ts when crossing a road or walking down the street? See you in a second. Okay, hopefully you already have some ideas about what road safety is. It is a super important topic because it can actually save people's lives. Teachers, I popped the link to this video into our team, or you can just type it into Google. I'm going to try and play it as well in assembly now, so we've got a few options.
You're not about to walk into that road, are you?
Okay. I'd like you to have a little go at a think, pair, share activity now. Have a think to yourself. Have you seen any children do dangerous things whilst walking, cycling, or in cars? Have a think as well. Have you seen any adults do any dangerous things whilst they're walking or cycling or in their cars? Okay, I'm sure some of you have seen both children and adults do dangerous things whilst they're on the roads. So what is road safety? Well, last week it was Road Safety Week, and the theme for the week was no need to speed. Road safety is all about keeping us safe on the roads. It's about walking safely, cycling safely, and being safe when you're in a car. It's keeping yourself safe and your friends and family. It's about making smart choices and making sure that nobody gets hurt or even killed. So why is it so important? And I've got some facts here that I think might shock you. Last year, in 2019, 1,752 people died as a result of a car crash in Great Britain, in our country. Also last year, there were 25,945 seriously injured people as a result of crashes on the roads. 1,752 deaths that happened on the road last year, the majority of them, so 57%, happened on rural roads. So that means in the countryside. But that doesn't mean that these accidents don't happen in towns as well. In fact, this is probably the most shocking fact of all. Every 20 minutes, somebody is either killed or seriously injured on a British road. Everyone has the right to a safe journey. So here are some top tips how you can stay safe. Always walk on the pavement or a path if there is one. Never ever stray onto the road. Find a safe place when you need to cross the road. Remember to stop, look both ways and listen. If there is a crossing, make sure you use it properly. If it's a zebra crossing, always walk over the actual black and white stripes, not near it, on it. Never cross the road whilst using a phone or listen to music using headphones. Stay alert at all times. And please remember, it's not just cars we're looking out for. Cyclists and motorcycles, they also use the road. Also need to be careful of those. Okay, I hope you've been paying attention. Time for a quiz. Question number 1. This year's theme for Road Safety Week is A, no need to increase the speed, B, no need to speed, C, no need to go quickly. You can pause the video if you want a bit longer, or I'll give you about 10 seconds to think of your answer. Okay, the answer is B, no need to speed. Diane, if you got that. Question 2. How many people died as a result of a crash in 2019 in the UK? A, 174 people, B, 1,473 people, or C, 1,752 people? Okay, the answer is C, 1,752 people. I'll dechog if you've got that. Question number 3. Every blank, someone is killed or seriously injured on a British road. Every what? A, 2 hours, B, 2 minutes, or C, 20 minutes? And the answer is C, 20 minutes. Diane, if you got that one. Last question. What shouldn't you do when crossing the road? I've given you a bit of a hint there. A, talk on the phone. B, listen to music. Or C, run. I think you've all got this one right. A, B, and C. You should never cross the road whilst talking on your phone or looking at your phone. You should never cross the road whilst listening to music, and you should never, ever run across the road. To finish assembly today, I'd just like you to take a moment to reflect and think about, if you walk home from school, do you always make the best choices for your safety and for the people around you, for their safety? How can you educate, how can you teach your grown-ups about the importance of road safety? Okay, let's say our school prayer. Bow your hands. Diolch I ti am I byd, diolch am ein ffrindiau I gyd. Amen. Well, diolch yn fawr. Thank you so much for listening so carefully to my assembly today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Here's Ginny. She's been asleep for the whole thing. She wasn't any help at all, but now she's just waking up to say goodbye. Have a lovely day. See you all soon. Dyma chi.